Hi everyone, welcome to the course Master Python Programming Essentials, the easy and fast way using daily life examples. I'm your course instructor, Professor Dr. Shukwe. Currently, I'm working as a university professor and a postgraduate supervisor in data analysis, deep learning, and computer vision. I have a PhD in environmental resource management with a studying focus on computer modeling from the Brandenburg University of Technology in Germany. I worked as a postdoctoral scientist at Swiss Federal Institute of Aquatic Science and Technology and a research associate of University of British Columbia, Canada. I have nearly 20 years of research and teaching experience and 10 years of entrepreneur experience in computer modeling and simulation, big data analysis, machine learning, and R&D on real-time monitoring and early warning system platforms. I have 27 software copyrights, 13 software products, 4 patents, and over 40 publications. This course uses daily life examples which help you easily and fast master the essentials of Python programming. After this course, you will own the basic knowledge to learn any advanced Python topics such as web development, data analysis, modeling, and machine learning, etc. Besides, you will obtain all course notes for your practice and later reference. In addition, you will get a certificate to prove your course completion and powerful skills. This course is especially suitable to anyone who has little or no knowledge of Python but wants to master his essentials quickly. Please feel free to read the course description and watch the introduction. Thank you. Hope see you in the lectures.